Say bonjour to a landmark location in the heart of Houston, where diners discover a sensational patio and a name they won't soon forget.
A boozy!
A boozy!
And with a name like that, you know you're in for a cork-poppin' good time.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles galore.
Somebody says champagne and I say sign me up. It's just a perfect place.
At a boozy, there's plenty to celebrate, like this savory roasted Cornish hen on a bed of baked green beans and mashed potatoes, or this heavenly burrata cheese, just begging for a bite.
From seafood to beef to vegetarian dishes, you can get anything you want here.
And how about this stunner?
We actually take our short rib, and it's been braised for about 8 hours. Mix it in with a little bit of ricotta, goat cheese, truffle.
That is phenomenal. Oh my gosh, that is fantastic.
There's just no shortage of festive goodies at a boozy.
Lots of oysters, lots of champagne, because they're such a great pair together.
This place is busy all the time, but this is the most celebratory place in the world during the holidays.
It's a great atmosphere, and it's great for everyone.
While the food is fabulous, what pairs with your meal takes center stage: champagne, which inspired the owner. The name here comes from its boozy namesake in France, champagne. But champagne is just the beginning. Fun cocktails and a superior wine list also await.
You can come in and actually get a 1940 bottle of wine if you want. I mean, I've got stuff that will actually blow you away with our pricing.
The pricing's phenomenal. I mean, you can't find prices like this anywhere else in Houston.
We're able to get champagnes that you're not going to find anywhere else, not only just in Texas, but really in the U.S.
Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The eye-popping presentation here is like fine art. They have traditional items you're going to love too, like steamed mussels with fresh house-made fries, or pommes frites to be precise.
Today we're gonna do steamed mussels,
Okay.
butter, a little bit of chili flake.
Yeah. Little kick. So is it a bad idea to keep peeking under?
Yes, because you let all the steam come out, so it doesn't help the mussels to open properly.
So try to be patient, right?
Yes.
And patience pays off big time.
And you serve it in the pot and everything?
Yes, then we cover
I
it
love
up,
that.
and then we send it to the table.
Ching ching. Ooh, that is really good.
There's truly a party in every bite and a celebration in every sip at a boozy.
If you want somewhere that you can be yourself, be free, and just have fun and relax, have great food, great wine and bubbles, come here.
Well, here, cheers to many more years
Cheers.
and many more celebrations.